So when you apply position fixed to an element with different position property values like top or left or bottom or right like this, there are four things will happen. First, the element will move itself to top or left or bottom or right side of the viewport based on the position property we provided, such as top or left or bottom or right. Second thing is, when you apply position fixed, it will create a new stacking context. This means it creates a new view layer on top of the current document flow. The stacking context looks like this. So this is the current document flow, and this is the new view layer. Third thing is, the element will be placed inside the new stacking context, or in the new view layer, and fix its position relative to the top or left or bottom or right edge of the viewport. And the distance from the top or left or bottom or right is equal to the value we provided on different position property, such as top or left or bottom or right. Last thing is, the element will be removed from the current document flow and other elements will take its place. And one thing to keep in mind is that when you apply position fixed to an element, if any of its parent has transform, perspective, or filter property, it will not work properly.